All right, you'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Recently, I heard news about Muslim family being murdered in Canada. I was really shocked about after hearing the news. First, I was like, it's okay, it's an act of racism, or you can say anti-Islamic thing. After a few hours, I got some messages from my friend and a senior who is living in Canada that the family who got killed is our senior. And then I started to contact his family, and then I heard got the news that he is a senior physical therapist. And I remember that we were working a long time ago together. So that was a really heartbreaking news for me. I was going to my hospital when I got this news regarding his family's death, and it was really shocking that the whole world is, that the thing which are happening against the Islam and the Muslim people, it's really hitting hard, and it's causing a lot of fear in Muslim families. They are living in abroad in non-Muslim countries.
Okay, all right. Do people like to watch international news in your country?
In cities, a lot of people like what's happening internationally and what's the international world moving towards. But in the rural area, they don't really care about what's happening in the world.
What is the best source of getting news?
Nowadays, social media. I think social media is the most fastest way to get to spread news. Rather than you are sitting in front of a television, you are watching a TV show or a special news channel. So yes, the social media and WhatsApp, that's really fast.
Do you believe every news that you receive on social media?
No, I really don't believe every news I heard or I see on social media, because there are a lot of fake news being spreaded by a lot of people. They are trying to cause anarchy in the country and misunderstanding between the people. So I really don't believe all the news. When I ever heard a news or read a news, I confirm it from and some authentic news sources. Then I confirm it.
All right. Thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test.
Thank you so much.